tryna shake that sleep. Hoodie on my head with a fresh white tee. Pistol in my pocket and some brand new sneaks. Liquor in my mouth, nigga, yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me. Jizzle in the flesh. Looking in the mirror like, nigga, you next. Standing at the bottom watching niggas cut checks. Old greats in me, gotta give them their respect. Line after line in my prime and my best. Been through enough to make a nigga stop believing. Quick prayer to thank God a nigga still breathing. Cause some niggas won't make it home this evening. My homeboy died, it got my heart grieving. Cause fake niggas live long, but real niggas leaving. Damn, that's how that shit go. Keep my head high, but sometimes my head hang low. How you keep a smile, nigga? Smoke a whole lot of dope. Drink a whole lot of liquor, do a whole lot more. Till the reaper come knocking at a nigga front door. Damn, no hook, no title. It's just me writing. Just my scattered thoughts. A long conversation, so I wrote it on some paper. No hook, no title. Crazy shit be in a nigga head. Just a bunch of shit be on my mind. I write the shit on paper in the rhyme. Yeah, fuck it. Let's get back at it. They ain't sugarcoat shit, gave it to me raw. Sitting in a circle listening to old heads talk. Told me how they won shit, told me how they lost. Told me about the real ones and told me about the false ones. Give a firm handshake and later on cross them. Yeah, that shit sunk deep, burned in a nigga's soul till it came a part of me. Kept it in my heart and I used it in the streets. Fucked off a lot of time, yeah, I admit it. Promised you a big house and yeah, mama, I'ma get it. Still walking around with them unhealed scars. Glad that I went through it, cause it made a nigga smart. Yeah, it broke me down, but it made a nigga hard. Remember when I had a little rusty 38, couple rocks in the bag and a whole lot of shake. Yeah, ride along to the end. Remember Papa told me you ain't got no friends, but I ain't know what the fuck it meant back then. Fuck you, roll a blunt, nigga, spark it on the end. And it ain't take long for that shit to kick in. Yeah, couple shots take you out, make a nigga think about the shit coming out his mouth. Now they looking for me, they don't put the word out. Like a broke nigga looking for some change in the couch. Fuck a life sentence, nigga, gon' take me out. Did time in the hole, finally they released me. I ain't never going back to that shithole, believe me. No hook, no title. It's just me writing. Shit just fucked up all the way round. One day a nigga popped me and laid me face down. Talk about a nigga smile turn to a frown. Until then I promise you that I'ma hold it down.